Hello, Open Slate followers. We are shooting a very special episode of Founders Find today. Ahmedabad is a city synonymous with art, heritage, and culture. However, despite its rich cultural backdrop, the art scene wasn't as vibrant due to the lack of a dedicated art community. But our next guest on Founders Find is somebody who changed the city's landscape by opening one of the most stunning art galleries and a landmark in Ahmedabad. I'm talking about none other than Purva Damani, the founder of 079 Stories Art Gallery. Purva, thank you for finally coming on Founders Find. Just to kind of tell our audience, I happened to meet Purva, of course. We both know each other since a long time, but then I happened to meet her once at the 079 Stories Art Gallery. And fortunately, she was free for a bit, and we sat and we had a great conversation. And oh my God, the amount of information she gave me about art, I had to have this Founders Find episode with her so that we can share a lot more information about art with Purva.
I remember, and it was a great conversation for sure.
Absolutely. So let's kind of delve into a lot about you, about 079 and the art scene in Ahmedabad. So my first question, Purva, would be, when I actually got into, of course, I know you as Purva, but when I actually researched about you, I got to know that, you've done some fabulous things. I mean, a communications and marketing degree from FIT New York, HR consultant in a leading firm in Mumbai, and now, of course, the founder of 079 Stories. So you've created a landmark in Ahmedabad and something which I feel the city never had. Tell us what made you delve into art and how did you start this?
Yes, so if you see, my CV is quite varied.
Right.
And from corporate world to the creative world, it was quite a jump. There was a sabbatical of 8 years in between, and that's where the whole from corporate to creative side came in the picture.
Right.
Where I was always passionate about art, and of course, being born and brought up in Ahmedabad, being a cultural city, I've always been exposed to art and culture all my life, even when I've traveled. And of course, Ahmedabad is full of art and culture as well.
Yes.
Of course, hidden, but yes, it is.
True.
So I think in my sabbatical, something that I always was passionate about, I wasn't an art collector then, I wasn't an art, I haven't studied art history or anything,
Right.
but something that really interested me was art. And I think this 079 Stories was born with an idea that I want to give something back to the city in form of art and culture.
Right.
And a full working art gallery. We planned in a way that the building itself is a landmark, an architectural delicacy. So basically, 079 Stories is a promenade where we have a small amphitheater where we have performance art. So art in all form, basically.
But I must say, not only as a concept, but I think what you've created is so stunning in general, even visually. And I've been fortunate to kind of attend some of your shows, and they've been, I mean, this was missing in Ahmedabad. Of course, there's been a lot of art galleries in general doing a lot of stuff, but I think the curation and the thought process that you put in every time, it stands different with every show, whether it's an art show or whether it's a performance that's happening in your amphitheater.
Yeah.
So I think it's been 5 years when you started 079 Gallery.
6 years now.
6? Wow. Okay. That's a long time. So I feel, when you started it, it was a time when, of course, art has been popular in Ahmedabad, but it wasn't that much talked about, right? And at this point, I'm sure, like, especially the Open Slate followers also, they would like to know a lot more about how a gallery functions. Because when I met you the other day, I got to know my perception about gallery was very different, right? So take us through, firstly, what is 079? What does it do? And when one comes to 079, what can they expect? How does a gallery function overall?
So if I start with the name, 079 depicts our telephone code for Ahmedabad.
Yes.
So Ahmedabad Stories. So everything happening there is in form of a story.
Right.
When a person comes, so we function completely as an art gallery. We're art advisors and art consultants. And we are curators as well.
Okay.
So when you enter, you can actually, if you are into collecting art and you want to see different art, Indian contemporary art, international artists, that's what the gallery functioning is all about.
Okay.
But there are 3 sets of it. we curate art shows. Those art shows are there. We have a preview during our art shows.
Right.
That art show continues for a month.
Right.
It's on display for a month. Then whatever is not sold, we have excess art in all our storerooms.
Right.
We have our own represented artist where we have all the works of these represented artists from our gallery.
Right.
So whenever you step in and whatever criteria you have in terms of Indian contemporary art,
Right.
you will be able to find everything
Interesting.
at 079 Studios.
Right.
We have workshops going on. We have amphitheater programs, and we do Studio Potters Fest. That's first of its kind in Ahmedabad.
Yes.
And we finished 3 editions of it. We do every 1.5 year.
Right.
And where studio potters from all across India, they participate.
And when I met you, you'd also mentioned something that, why is it that one should purchase from a gallery versus, on their own?
Of course, see, gallery is one point contact. So if, for example, if you like a certain artist and if you want to source that artist, a gallery will help you end to end do that.
Right.
You just have to say, okay, this is what I want, right from negotiations, right from, and of course, there's authentication certificate.
Precise.
So there is a provenance that goes behind. If you go through a gallery, that is a short mark that there is a proper provenance of that art that you've purchased.
Right.
And a gallery artist will always slowly, steadily, simultaneously grow big. So
Correct.
that is in terms of investment, if you're seeing.
Absolutely.
That's where
because you as
it is
curators
multifold.
also kind of
Yes, it is a
research lot.
multifold. Yeah, it's a multifold benefits that you go through a gallery.
Okay, perfect. So Purva, you at the gallery have a roster of young established artists as well. But let's say I saw an art piece somewhere which is not at the gallery, and can I or anybody who comes to 079 Gallery come to you for other artists other than the ones the gallery represents?
Of course, as I said, we are art advisory, art consultancy as well.
Okay.
So we can source any artist that you like, and
From
we-
across the world.
from across the
Okay.
world, and we can help you get your artwork, acquire your loved artwork. Yes.
Interesting. Okay.
Yes.
So how does that work? So say, for example, because I'll tell you, so when I'm still doing up my house. So the thing is that, of course, I know that, okay, I need to get an art piece for this wall. But I don't know what kind of art is trending
Yeah.
or what will go along with my house interior. So do you guys assist in that as
Yes,
well?
we do assist in those things as well. We actually give you mock-ups. We suggest, so we call you to the gallery. We show you a different variety of art. We try to know what is that you like in art, abstract or a figurative, or basically maybe some animal based, and even in abstract you like contemporary abstract. So accordingly, we will give you variety of ideas, a variety of artists where we can source whatever you like. We can help you source that artwork.
So, now of course you explained that how can one connect with 079, but also, there's a lot of trend about art investments, right? And I've heard that you've become an art collector as well. And I think you're the best person to ask all about art. So art can be intimidating, especially for younger generations who are looking at investments. So how can they start? Where can they start with art investments?
So basically, art all over the world, word art is only very heavy, where people think it's very, very intellectual. It's very intimidating.
Very serious.
Very serious.
Yeah.
I don't understand. Art is the basic thing. Every single day I hear 3 times or 4 times say, I don't understand art.
Right.
But there is basically nothing to understand.
Right.
And with that perception, we are trying to break the barriers and the shackles and trying to have that affordable corner. So affordable is, of course, not a right word to use for art, but yes, not intimidating for the first-time buyers.
Right.
As we said, we have an art corner where we are trying to promote original artwork. So original artwork of younger artists, which starts from 5,000. So again, people feel it's very expensive, but a small amount also, if you invest in art,
Yeah.
it is going to take you big way.
Right. So Purva, I follow you on Instagram, and you travel a lot. So I've of course seen a lot of travel, but and of course a lot of travel for art as well. So tell me,
one space where you think it was a fabulous experience from an art viewpoint, and something that if you can share with our viewers, like a must-go place, and which is your favorite spot.
So, very recently, just 3-4 months back, I was in Paris. I love that city. And,
Absolutely. It's
I
divine.
think it's divine, and the art there is phenomenal.
True.
Right from their museums to their architecture and everything. But there's this one space that I went to. It's called 59 Rivoli, and it is an entire building. It is an art residency,
Wow.
and there are art shows on the. You can, as a normal person, just walk in that place, and there are 4 floors, and the artists are actually working there. It is an art residency.
Wow.
So the artists are painting there. You can just go and spend some time with them. You can buy their art from there. There are art shows going on the bottom floor.
Wow.
And that is an experience in itself. Right?
Absolutely. No, but thank you for sharing.
Yes.
We'll see to it, and most of us will see to it that we add it to our list.
Yes.
So Purva, I feel you've been extremely successful in kind of, building this art community for Ahmedabad with 079. And from what I've read, you've done something very interesting in the past as well for 079. But tell us, especially for our viewers, what else is in store for 079?
Yes, we've done something different in the past. We've participated in the India Art Fair.
Yes, that was
yes,
big, this thing.
2023.
Yes.
We were a part of this Trans Exchange Cultural Program, which is based out of Boston, and we were among I think 3 or 4 galleries in India. We were among one of them as an art and cultural space listed on their program.
Nice.
We are still a part of that.
Wow.
Which operates out of Boston. So we've done presentations in Boston for the same. Yes, what is in store for us? A lot of new art shows, very, very interesting art shows that are coming up starting August.
Wow.
We are participating in Art Mumbai, so you'll see us there next.
Interesting.
So yes, a lot of things are on our list. You'll come to know as and when if you keep following 079 stories on Instagram. We just finished an open call for artists where we gave a grant to 3 artists, and so we selected shortlisted 15 artists, and we gave grant to 3 artists. So we'll handhold them for next 6 months, give them residencies and everything, and we will be showcasing these 15 artists at 079 stories soon as well.
Or it will be happening this year?
Yes, of course.
Oh,
this
wow.
year. Starting August, we'll have all our art shows on again. Right now, we are in the process of planning and the next execution.
Right,
so,
right.
Yes.
So I think after all the information that Purva has shared, I think all of us are going to make sure that we visit your shows, and we're really looking forward to it, because I just want to personally tell you that thank you for actually making Ahmedabad so proud and so talked about, and that is majorly the credit goes to you for creating such a stunning space as 079 Stories.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
And also, I had a very interesting announcement to make. So, as I told you before, we have a lot to learn from her. But I think this was just a basic intro to kind of make you all introduced to her and as well as the art scene in Ahmedabad. We are going to do some very interesting podcasts in the coming months. And I would love for you all to kind of, send us, DM us, and tell us what more would you like to know about art. And it is Purva who will be doing those podcasts. So you will have the first hand information from the best in art.
Thank you so much.
Thank
It
you.
was wonderful chatting with you, Radhika.
Thank you, Purva. Thank you so much. See you soon.
See you.